let's take a look at the amazing bicycle making process inside a factory. Known as push bikes, bicycles, or just cycles, their making process starts with collecting components including the frame, seat post, wheels, pedals and more. First of all, the frame is placed on a stand and tubes are covered with cardboard. Now the fork is installed on the head tube. After that, the rear wheel, stand and other components are also attached. Next, the brake cable is attached to the frame and tested. After that, the body parts are covered by cardboard and plastic. Then it is packed in a big box and sent to the dealer. For the customer's ease, the cycle is reassembled in the store. Here, the pedal is being installed and the front brake is also fitted. Next, the front wheel is assembled and then the front brake is also screwed on. After that, the valve is fitted on the wheel and the handlebar is also attached to the stem and tightened. Once the handlebar is installed, the seat post is inserted into the seat tube. Finally, the cycle is ready to ride. The cycle just needs to be checked by its rider.